Are you experiencing the same issue where your low-quality emblem flew off while driving? Press the two side tabs below the emblem under the hood to remove the old emblem base. Then, insert the new emblem into the emblem hole on the bonnet. Use a pair of long nose pliers to pull the side tabs gently to ensure that its clip fully latch on. Once both side clips fully latched, the emblem will be secured. Check out, there is no gap beneath the emblem base compared to those low-quality emblem.